this holiday season. Bring home the magic of a winter wonderland. Naomi Home presents the Darla Snowy Christmas Tree. A stunning green Christmas tree with snow-covered tips. Adorned with beautiful, pre-assembled LED lights. Our tree sparkles and shines with effortless elegance, making your decorating a breeze. The pristine white branches, adorned with sparkling lights, create a stunning centerpiece for your holiday celebrations. But that's not all. Our unique tree base makes the tree rotate when turned on, allowing you to enjoy every angle of its beauty. Please note the tree light should be plugged into the base, not the wall. Before turning on the base, place the wires correctly and do not leave any hanging wires. And for the grand finale, our tree star topper projects enchanting snowflakes onto your ceiling, creating a magical ambience for your holiday celebrations. Use the included remote to turn on and off your star top. Pause whenever you need. Change to flash mode. Adjust up to 3 different speeds. Select the light intensity. Choose and reset the timer so it can last for as long or as little as you want. The Darla Snowy Christmas Tree comes in various sizes such as 4.5 feet, 6.5 feet, and 7.5 feet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.